Okay, you'll start off with any old hardware or deadbolt removed. And here is the beautiful product itself. It is well packaged. It comes with all the new hardware and deadbolt that you'll need, including the strike plate. Now, if you rotate it, it will actually extend so you're dead center in your hole. On mine, I do need the longer length, so it lines up perfectly centered in my door hole. And then on the hinge side, you can install a new strike plate as well, and those screws and hardware is provided. In most cases, you can do this installation with no assistance, even if you have no home improvement experience. Basic trusty Phillips #2 screwdriver. You don't need any power equipment for this in most cases. Okay, now with the deadbolt installed, and you can see the handy dandy up arrow right there, so you know that you're doing it correctly. You're going to switch to your exterior view. You're going to get your brand new smart deadbolt. Now you're going to install it with this paddle horizontal because you want it to slip in that opening right there, and the wire will feed underneath. Okay, next is the mounting plate. It says top, and then if you can see that, it also says cable hole. Now flip it around. You want the flat side against the door, and you want these mounting screw holes facing out into the room. So for cable management, that goes through the bottom hole. The paddle goes through the center hole, and that's the correct orientation right there. Next, we're onto the mounting plate screws. That's 2 machine screws. This is what will hold everything together. Snug everything up. Okay, if you did this step correctly, this is what is holding your new DESLOC Smart Deadbolt onto the door securely. You can also make sure that it's level for you to where you like the fit and finish. Okay, back to the interior. We're going to do the interior portion. Do remove the battery cover plate because you need to expose those openings for the screws. 3 mounting screws, and that's the packet labeled interior lock screws. Now in this step, you do have to secure the wire to the interior. It's a simple push to connect wire with a little bit of a locking tab. Okay, you'll actually hear it click when it goes in, and this little reservoir is where you can hide the extra length of the wire. You can tuck it right in and then slide the center onto that paddle, fit it right to the door, and you're ready for your 3 screws. Okay, 3 screw holes, 1, 2, 3, and now you can test the manual deadbolt, and that should go easy into the opening to lock the door securely. Okay, next you're ready for the batteries. These are everyday AA rated batteries. This smart door lock can operate for over a year with many cycles per day and not having to replace the batteries. So a year plus on these batteries. You'll hear a small audio beep knowing the device is turned on, and put the battery cover in place. Here you can remove the cover. Now I know on camera it's showing a little bit of flickering on the display. I assure you in real life it's perfectly clear and displaying normally. It has something to do with the frame rate of my camera. Okay, on to programming your beautiful new entry lock. Now you can use the QR code on the back of your instructions to download the app. You'll have full Wi-Fi and app control. Of course, you'll have pin control, and you'll have trusty backup keys the old-fashioned way if you want to do it that way. The app was super easy to locate at your app store. Download it. You can use the QR code if you'd like, and then go through the registration and installation process. It will connect with your smart deadbolt. It's a lot easier to download the app and connect it to your smart lock first, and then install your user information and passwords. You'll have easy access with the app on your smartphone. You can control the lock. You can check the status of the lock. You can let workers or delivery services come and go and unlock it for them and relock it. Okay, to lock it, you simply hold down the lock, and you can hear it engage, and that door is firmly locked. To wake it up, I'm going to type in my passcode. There you go. Don't worry, I'll change it soon, so everybody who watches this video, it'll be scrambled shortly. The app makes it super, super easy. So you have full PIN control for remote access. You can add or delete anybody on the app anytime you want, and you can also have a manual set of keys for emergencies. So you have app access, PIN access, and even keyed access. You have all the options. You know what's really cool is you could open it through the Wi-Fi app and let a handyman or worker in the house or a delivery service, and then you could lock it when they're gone. Quick and easy. It's about a second or less to unlock. Really, really awesome. And you can just lock it again. And I'm getting notifications on my smartphone about the activity right now.